Hi Dashidele, this is Drukmo Gyal. I'm here to guide you through the practices of Yuthok Nyingthig Ngöndro. Yuthok is the father of Tibetan medicine, and he appeared in 8th and 12th centuries, compiled and composed two treasures. One is the main text of training Tibetan doctors called Four Medical Tantras, and the other one is the spiritual teaching called Yuthok Nyingthig. Nying means heart, and thig is the essence. So the essential heart teaching of Yuthok. Ngön means before, and dro is to go. So Ngöndro is also translated as the preliminary practice. It's kind of like the basics that we have to learn before we set off on a very long spiritual journey. In that case, whatever kind of spiritual practice we do, we have to go through 3 steps. They are Huang, Long, Chi, especially in Tibetan Buddhist tradition. Huang means the empowerment. So being empowered by a guru or a teacher to practice. Long means the reading transmission. So we have to hear somebody who have received the empowerment from previous generation, teachers of previous generation, and that unbroken lineage will be passed on through reciting the text to the next generation. So you have to hear it. So that's called the reading transmission. And the third one is Chi. Chi means teachings. So all the explanations and explanations from multiple facets and different stages of our lives and the lives of our teachers. So those are all Chi, the teachings, to understand deeper and deeper layers of the same teaching that we receive. When we receive teachings from teacher, then it's important to again go through 3 steps. They are called Tu Sam Gom. So Tu means to listen, to hear mindfully, and you're really not busy with any of your own thoughts, but you're just listening to whatever is being taught. And this listening part consists of listening to the sound and listening to the meaning of the sounds and the languages that make sense to you. Sam means to think, to contemplate, to reflect. And Gom, the most famous translation is to meditate, but I would like to translate it as to habituate. The habituation of what we have heard mindfully and what we have reflected based on what we have heard. Especially those that we have heard and contemplated and allies with what we allies with our ethical formation and spiritual growth. So keeping these steps in mind, then we can continue our practices.